Right here, massive lightning right here. So right here is now there's massive lightning just here. It's Australia Day right now, 26th of January 2012, and I'm basically getting rained on. Right now, and I shouldn't miss the lightning because it's just here.
We hope it's not going to get too close.
Oh, just missed the flash us there. So this is a beautiful Aussie day right now.
It's all
lightning.
It's
all going good, yeah. Look at that, check it out.
Oh, that's pretty dark.
I don't think I
Yeah,
want
relax.
to be a bit
Just check
dangerous
it out
up there,
now. Nah, it's fine. Have a look.
It's fine.
Oh man.
Did you see that?
Oh! Get away from the building. Oh!
Get down, guys. If a bomb comes down.
This is dead!
You should stop again.
Oh! Would you? Oh, lightning!
You should get down.
Nice, so that's done. Far out!
Why not?
Whoa! Oh, Minkia! Minkia!
No,
Market!
if that thing...
Minkia, look at the storm!
Do you know how many bolts are going through that?
Millions. Look at the city. It's alive. Minkia, the lightning.
Crowd here tonight. Things started.
I bet those big not quite all these.
I think the lightning's gone now.
Yeah, let's go on the roof now.
Let's go on the roof now.
No, hang on.
Perth, yeah. I'm in the finals though.
I just missed the best
I wouldn't be up there, to be honest. Careful.
Yeah, the grand finale.
You're better off getting one up there.
Brickfield. Better on the Brickfield.
Whoa!
Oh, it's a finale! It's mega!
Whoa!